Alrighty. This is the hotel room. It's not very big, but that doesn't really matter considering what's out the window. Unbelievable. What a view. What a view. Elnido. That mountain range is huge. The sun's gone down behind it. It's only 4:30 in the afternoon here, so 6:30 Brisbane time. All the boats over there coming back in from the day tours. This is where all the tours leave from. That's where we have our breakfast tomorrow morning down there. Looking over the water. 3 stories up, so we're fairly high up. There's all these little restaurants and everything. There's one next door there, looks alright. We might go and check that out. Oh, there's rocks behind us here, really weird. But what a view. There's a big Coast Guard. I think it's a Coast Guard boat out there. It's big. Don't know who owns that, but quite big. Look at those islands, unbelievable. There's a nice little beach over there. Looks alright. Unbelievable, those mountains though. Keep happy customers coming back in from the day out. There we go. Airport's just over there. Might even fly back, I think. So there we go. This is my partner in crime. It's not a bad room. Here's the go button. TV, aircon, safe. 5 hours in the van getting up here was just, it was a bit much, but yeah, all good. So that's day 3. Is it day 3? What's today? Wednesday. Sunday, not Tuesday, Wednesday. Day 3 or 4, something like that. Who cares? Unbelievable. Alright, there we go.